What's that?
I don't know.
I thought that was your tongue.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't it?
Wasn't me.
It was a wine.
Mm.